Hello, I am Manjula. Today I am sharing a quick, healthy and very delicious chatpati green peas chaat. Matar ki chaat. This recipe is made with green peas and simple spices that creates a perfect balance of sweet, tangy and spicy flavor. The best part is this recipe just come together in about 7 minutes, making it perfect for busy days, evening snacks or even a light appetizer for guests. So let's get started. I am making green peas chaat which is so delicious, and this recipe will serve 4. Heat is on low medium. So first I am going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of besan gram flour, still roasted on low heat till it start getting brown and it will start leaving some fragrance. This should take about a minute. So besan is already roasted. I do not want to make it brown. Here I am using 3 cups of frozen green peas. So just stir it. 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of mango powder, amchoor, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Mix it well. Roasted besan gives a very nice flavor and it gives a body to the chaat. Here I have 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped green chili. And now add about 1.5 cup of water. Let it cook for few minutes. Peas should be tender. So cover the pan for few minutes. It has been about 3 minutes, so let's check it out. It's looking very good and matars are soft and tender. It's time to add, I'm using half a teaspoon of garam masala and about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro and about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. This looks nice and I am ready to serve. So I am ready to serve the matar chaat, green pea chaat, and it's ready. But I like to serve this with the potatoes. So here I have 1 cup of boiled potato which I have chopped them in small pieces. So I will add about 2 tablespoons of cilantro which I have cut them very fine and about half a teaspoon of salt and mix it well. So here I have some matar chaat, side of potatoes and some tomatoes, slices of lemon if somebody wants to add more sour. If they like more hot, they can take a bite of these green chilies and some shredded finely sliced ginger, and that's it. Green peas chaat is ready and looking very tempting and delicious. This is very refreshing and full of delicious sweet, tangy and spicy flavor. Perfect for evening snack, light lunch or any time you want something quick and satisfying. You can enjoy it just as it is or serve it with toasted bread, cracker, papdi for a comforting snack. I hope you will try this quick and tasty recipe and enjoy it with your family. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.